Want to start a small business with the P1 even with zero experience? Today I'll show you how to turn a 0.95 blank into a 33.3 metal necklace. Just 4 things to make a metal necklace. A P1 laser engraver, alcohol, metal necklace, and cloth. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure you're using the correct laser. The P1 has dual lasers. For this we're using the infrared laser. Step 2. Clean surface. A clean and flat surface gives you better results. Step 3. Calibrate the focus to match your material height. Step 4. Connect your machine to AtomStack Studio. Step 5. Drag your photo directly into the canvas. Step 6. Select your design and turn on framing. Step 7. Choose your material in the software. Step 8. Close the lid and start engraving. The Swift machine is perfect for metal engraving too. These machines pack the power needed for precision on tougher materials. Want to make a necklace like this? Don't wait, get started now. Just use P1 and everything becomes easy and simple. Thanks for watching. See you next time.